Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see class 3 EVS, the chapter number 6, Living in Harmony. Okay, so this is your term 2 first chapter. So, let's go into the lesson. So, living in harmony. So, the meaning of living in harmony is a peaceful life without any fight or any arguments or any disturbance. So, we are living a happy life. So, that is called living in harmony, a peaceful one. Okay, so look at this picture. So, in this picture, we are seeing a river, and based side of the river, we can able to see few animals and insects, birds. If you see a cheetah is here, and beside the cheetah we have a monkey and a deer and small sparrows. Let me highlight and show you maybe. Yeah, small sparrows here, this one, and butterflies here, butterfly and frog. You see frog and turtle here. We have turtle. See, we have turtle. Okay, and there's a bird also. See here, a flying bird. Okay, and beside that one, we have few birds and animals. See, we have a bird and hibiscus plant, and there's an insect. There is a dragonfly. And we have cat, snail here. See, look at the snail, and we have goat, and this one a grasshopper and plants. We have a jasmine flower, which is white in color, and a beautiful pink rose plant. And see, look at these two boys. They're watching the images which is given. Okay, let's see the next one. So, do any of these animals, birds, insects, and plants live with you in your house? So, they're asking whether do you have any of these? Like, do you have cat in your home, or do you have goat, or you have rose plant, jasmine plant? So, if you have anything listed in your home, you can write, yes, I do have a cat and a rose plant. You can write like that. And if you have a bird, you can write a bird. Or if you have hibiscus plant, you can write hibiscus plant. And here, the dragonfly, the housefly, the snail are uninvited guests. Okay, these are uninvited guests. Okay, next. Do you and your family take care of them? So, do you take care of them or your family take care of them? For example, if you have goat and if you have a dog or if you are having a plant, so who's taking care? Whether you are watering the plant daily or if you're giving food, you are feeding the cat or you're taking care of the goat or what you're doing, whether you are taking care or your family is taking care and how you are taking care. So for that you have to frame the answer here. On the next video, I'll be giving the answer for all these questions. Okay. So now first we will quickly finish this lesson. Are there any animals, birds and insects that you have spotted or not in the picture given on page 72? So whether you have any other animal in your household which is not spotted in this picture, you can say cow. If you have a cow at your home, you can write cow. Or if you have a dog, you can write a dog. So what else if you have at your home which is not given in this picture, you can write. Whether if you have any other plant like a tomato plant or any climbers or a mango tree, you can write the same. Okay, next. Try to find out their names and write them in the table given below. One example is already done. So they have already given monkey and tree. So they have already given monkey and tree. Are there any animals and birds and insects that you have spotted or not in the picture on your on given page 72? So they are asking not in the picture or not in the picture on page. Are there any animals and birds that you have spotted that are not in the picture on the given page number 72? Okay. So So you can write and name of the animals, place where you have seen them. Okay, for monkey, tree. So these answers, let me fill this out. Okay, now I have written dog, near nearby house, donkey, road, owl, and tree. Okay, so but if you have anything different, you can rearrange these words and complete this table. Okay, we bring some animals and plants into our home. Some may just have started living there. Sometimes we share our home with them happily, but sometimes we do not like them in our home. For example, if you are bringing any dogs or any animals, what we will do, we will keep them as one of our family member and we will live with them happily. For example, if your father or mother buying a dog or a cat as a pet for you, or any birds, or even a fish in the fish tank, what you will do? You will see it happily, right? You'll always try to feed them, you will make time with them, you'll feel happy, and you will spend time with them. So that's what they are saying. But sometimes we do not like them in our home. For example, if you are having a snail or if you are having a uninvited guest like mosquitoes, cockroaches, any other insects. So sometimes what we will do, those are like we don't like them in our house. We don't want them into our house. So discuss with elders in your family which animals and plants they kept at home when they were young. So maybe you can talk with your mother or you can talk with your grandfather, grandmother, and you can ask them what type of animals or what type of plants they were having when they were young. Okay, ask them to share a story. Ask them to share any story about these animals and plants. Okay, so next, which are the uninvited animals, birds, and insects that visit our home? So, which are the uninvited animals, uninvited birds, and insects that visit our home? So these are your exam questions. Okay, let me open WordPad and show you answer for one by one. Okay, so let's see the answer one by one. Okay, so which are the uninvited animals, birds, and insects that visit your home? So uninvited animals such as rats, lizards, crows, pigeons, cuckoos, spiders, etc. visits our home. Even you can write cockroach. Okay. So if you feel is there any other animals or insects and birds, you can add it. Okay. So the answer is uninvited animals such as rats, lizards, crows, pigeons, cuckoos, spiders, etc. visit our homes. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Why do you think they come to your homes? So why do you think they are coming to our homes? The answer is these animals come to our home for food, shelter, and protection. Sometimes, if it is raining outside, what will do? The rats, the pigeons, they will look up for shelters. If they are not finding any shelter outside, they will come inside our home for shelter. And sometimes, if they are not getting any food outside, they will come inside to our house in search of food, shelter, and protection. Okay. The next question, question number 3. So, how do you feel about their presence in your home? How do you feel? Whether you feel happy or you feel sad or you feel afraid, you have to frame the answer. But I have framed some of the uninvited animals, such as pigeon, make me happy, but some animals like lizards and spiders make me nervous as I'm scared of them. Okay. So next question, question number 4. Which of them do you like? So which of them do you like? Whether you like a pigeon or a spider or a lizard. So which one you like? You can tell. I like pigeon and cuckoo. Okay. So how do you feel about their presence in your home? This is an important question, students. Again, I'm reading the answer. So some of the uninvited animals such as pigeon make me happy, but some animals like lizards and spider make me nervous as I'm scared of them. Okay, important question. The next question, the last question as well. So what do you do when you don't like them? For example, if you're seeing a rat inside your home or inside your cupboard, so what you will do? So you can frame an answer like this. I don't like rats, lizards, and spiders. I usually drive them out of my house. So what we will do, we will try to send them back to the road or wherever they live. We usually drive them out of our house. Okay. So all these questions are very, very important, students. If you want to copy, pause the video and you can copy all the questions. And don't worry, I'll be preparing a worksheet. So after completing the worksheet, I'll be sending this question and also for preparing. All right. So we'll see the next one. So now we have completed all these questions. So next, we take care of some animals and plants in our home by giving them water, food and shelter. Yes, we do that. See this girl? This girl is taking care of her dog, and if you see, some birds are there, and in a small puddle we have a water for birds to get thirst, and we have this boy, he's feeding the cow, and we have a cat coming out of the house. So all these are happening as per this picture. So next we have a lesson, mango tree. Okay. So now we have completed this. I will create a new video for that lesson, mango tree. Okay. And living harmony, and I will be creating a very short worksheet for this one. Okay. Because these are very important questions. Okay. So we will see another video about this lesson, the mango tree. All right. All right, students, take care, be safe, and bye bye.